Hello, it's Eleanor here from JD Gallagher Estate Agents, and today I am on Low Lane in Bear. So this beautiful 2-bedroom bungalow is perfect if you're perhaps looking to downsize, you want a little bit more peace and quiet, but you also want to be well connected. So there's a regular bus route both into Lancaster and Morecambe, and there's also the train station literally just around the corner as well. So it is a very well connected little area. So the bungalow itself has 2 bedrooms. So the rear bedroom is the master bedroom, which is a fantastic size and overlooks that gorgeous rear garden. And it also is lovely and private as well, with being at the back of the property. Then of course this spacious lounge, which is where I'm sat now. So you've got your electric fire to the centre of the room, and it's nice and neutrally decorated, really ready to be made your own. And of course there's that 3-piece bathroom, which again is neutrally decorated, has plenty of built-in storage, which is where the boiler is as well. And then of course there's the modern fitted kitchen, which has a handy little breakfast bar and also plenty of storage again. So just beyond the kitchen there is also a utility space, which currently houses the washing machine and tumble dryer, so it's perfect to tuck away the washing. Once it's on, you don't need to think about it again, you can forget about it, which is really ideal, to be honest. Obviously there's that detached garage at the end of the driveway, so there's plenty of off-road parking, plenty of space for storage. If you're someone who likes to keep your car in the garage, then you have got that option. So if it does sound like it's something you're interested in, we definitely recommend you move quick, as the location really is so popular and sought after. Bungalows around here do seem to fly. So give us a call, it's 01524 843322. Thank you, bye bye.